Hey there, boys and girls. Here we are, day 11 of our February daily math. So number 1 says how much? Well, it looks like we have 2 quarters. That would be 25 and 25, so that would be 50 cents. All right, number 2, draw a trapezoid. And how many sides are on that? Now, trapezoid, yes, back to kindergarten, the red one. Remember the red pattern block template? Yeah. Looked like that, right? And it was red. And you put those two together, and it would equal the yellow hexagon. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3. Aw. They say lovebug. So it says blank plus blank plus blank equals blank. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5, 10, 15. All right, number 4, write less than, greater than, or equal to. So we have 4 tens. So 4 in the tens column and 7 ones. 3 in the tens column and 17. Wait a minute. You can't have 17 in the ones column. This one has to go in the tens column. So that makes 4. And now it's 7 in the ones. These are equal. All right. If you knew that right away, that's awesome place value knowledge right there. Way to go. Measure the length of this rope in inches. Oh! Rats. I'll have to see if I can find my ruler here. I'm going to skip that one. Oh, I can't skip it. It's the last one. Hold on. All right, I went and fetched myself a ruler. And here we go. Measure this length of rope in inches. So we're going to line it up here with that piece. And I see that this is 4 inches. All right. Thank you for your patience with me on that one, boys and girls. Don't forget to put your score there, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 12.